Ever wondered if your stomach acid could eat through your skin? A somewhat unnerving thought, isn't it? But it's precisely these types of questions that underscore the intrigue of the human body, and more specifically our stomach acid. This seemingly simple digestive fluid plays an essential role in our health, governing everything from our ability to process food to our overall gut health. So join us as we embark on an exploration of this unsung hero of our bodies. Stay tuned to discover the 10 fascinating facts about stomach acid. First off, your stomach acid is incredibly strong. Now, when we say strong, we're talking about an acidity level that's on par with battery acid. Yes, you heard it right, the very same substance that powers your car's engine or your watch. That's how potent your stomach acid is. It's not just strong, it's super strong, with a pH level that usually hovers around 1 to 3, which is highly acidic in chemical terms. Now, you might be wondering, why do we need something as corrosive as battery acid inside our bodies? Well, your stomach acid plays a crucial role in digestion. It's like the unsung hero of your digestive system, breaking down the food you eat into a soupy mixture called chyme. This process is essential because it allows the nutrients from the food to be easily absorbed by your body. Without this potent acid, your steak dinner or your veggie salad wouldn't be of much use, as the nutrients would remain locked inside the food particles. But here's the kicker, your stomach acid is not just one substance, it's a cocktail of chemicals that includes hydrochloric acid, potassium chloride, and sodium chloride. Hydrochloric acid is the real star of the show, doing the heavy lifting when it comes to breaking down food. Meanwhile, potassium chloride and sodium chloride act as supporting actors, helping to produce more hydrochloric acid and contributing to the overall acidity. So the next time you're enjoying a hearty meal, spare a thought for your stomach acid. It's working tirelessly behind the scenes, dealing with the challenging task of breaking down your food, all while maintaining an acidity level comparable to battery acid. Isn't it fascinating how our bodies handle such a strong acid? We may not give it much thought in our daily lives, but our stomach acid is indeed a marvel of nature, a testament to the incredible complexity and efficiency of the human body. Moving on, let's delve into some more intriguing facts about stomach acid. Our fourth fact is quite an interesting one. Did you know that your stomach acid is a superhero in its own right? It's not just there to help break down the food you eat. Its acidity, which can rival that of battery acid, plays a vital role in protecting us from harmful bacteria and pathogens. This guardian of our gut eliminates most of the bacteria we ingest with our food and drink, preventing them from causing infections and diseases. Quite the unsung hero, wouldn't you say? Now on to our fifth fact, which may come as a surprise to many. Stress, that relentless shadow that seems to follow us around in our lives, can actually influence the production of stomach acid. When our body is under stress, it releases a hormone called cortisol. This hormone stimulates the release of gastric acid in the stomach. So, if you've ever felt that knot in your stomach during a stressful situation, it's not just your imagination. Your stomach is indeed reacting to your stress levels. It's another fascinating example of how interconnected our body systems truly are. And, for our sixth fact, prepare to be astounded. Stomach acid is so strong that it can dissolve certain materials like metal. Yes, you heard that correctly. The hydrochloric acid in our stomach, which is the main component of stomach acid, can corrode metals over time. This doesn't mean you should start swallowing coins or keys, though. Our stomach lining is specially designed to withstand the acidity, but the same cannot be said for other materials. It's a demonstration of just how powerful and vital this liquid in our stomach is. So, not only does our stomach acid help us digest food, but it also keeps us safe from harmful bacteria. It's quite an extraordinary substance with capabilities far beyond what one might initially assume. To wrap up our list, here are the last 4 facts about stomach acid. Firstly, have you ever wondered where this potent fluid comes from? It's actually produced right in your stomach lining. There are cells known as parietal cells in the lining that secrete hydrochloric acid, the main component of stomach acid. This acid is vital in breaking down foods, especially proteins, into a form your body can absorb. Moving on, let's talk about your diet. Believe it or not, what you eat can significantly affect stomach acid production. Foods rich in zinc, salt and protein can stimulate acid production, while overeating or consuming too much alcohol can also lead to increased acid levels. Thirdly, despite popular belief, stomach acid isn't always the culprit behind heartburn. In fact, low stomach acid can also cause this uncomfortable sensation. When there isn't enough acid, food can't be broken down properly in the stomach, causing it to ferment and produce gas, which can lead to heartburn. Lastly, it's worth noting that both too much and too little stomach acid can be detrimental to our health. An excess can lead to ulcers and acid reflux, while a deficiency can impair digestion and nutrient absorption, potentially leading to malnutrition. Now you know just how crucial stomach acid is to our well-being. In summary, we've learned some truly fascinating things about stomach acid today. We've discovered that this mighty fluid plays a key role in digestion, breaking down complex foods into simpler substances that our bodies can use. It's a potent protector too, warding off harmful bacteria that could pose a threat to our health. We've also learned about the impressive resilience of our stomach lining, constantly regenerating to withstand the force of this powerful acid. We've delved into the world of pH levels and how our stomach acid is surprisingly more acidic than vinegar or lemon juice. We've touched on the potential health implications of too little or too much stomach acid and how a delicate balance is crucial for our well-being. We've even learned about the extraordinary fact that our stomachs produce a staggering 2 liters of this formidable fluid every day. Next time you eat a meal, spare a thought for your stomach acid, the unsung hero of your digestive system.